Have you ever wondered how to build an animated website like this one? Right now, look at how this watch is moving on the screen. You would not believe that this website was built with AI. No coding needed. And even if this is your very first time wanting to build a website like this, completely for free from scratch, all the way to making it public and deployed so everyone can see it, you are going to learn exactly how to do it in this video. So watch until the very end, because by the time this video is over, you will know exactly how to build a website like this yourself. And you can even sell it because it is clean, professional, and beautiful. And if you do not finish this video, you will not learn how. My name is Fred. Welcome to AI Builders Academy. So let's get started. I have already prepared the master prompt for my website. I already prepared everything for you. The video prompt, the image I used, all of it. You can find the Google document link in the description or the pinned comment below. No problem. I already prepared everything inside that document. So first of all, I copy the video prompt from my Google document, and then I go back to Google Flow. Google Flow can help you animate your image for free. So I click here on Upload. After clicking Upload, I upload the photo of my watch that I used for the website. Don't worry, this photo is also in the Google document. I already prepared everything for you. After uploading the watch photo, I paste my video prompt here. After pasting the prompt, they show you a few options. You can choose Nano Banana, you can choose the frame ratio of 16:9, and then choose Gemini Omni Flash. After choosing, click Save. After clicking Save, then click Generate. So you paste that photo and the prompt I already prepared for you, and then click Generate. You just wait. It does not take long. It takes just a few minutes to complete. Right now they ask you, would you like me to kick off this one video generation costing only 15 credits? So you click Approve and do not ask again. To create that 15-second video, it only costs 15 credits. And every day, Google Flow gives you 50 free credits, meaning you can create 3 videos every single day. After clicking Generate, just wait. Right now, done. Let me play the animated watch video. After playing it, I click here Download. Click Save. This is the video Google Flow created for me using Gemini Omni Flash. So now let me come back to my Google document and copy the master prompt of my website. After copying it, I come back here to Google AI Studio. But let me show you something first, a secret that nobody is telling you. I already uploaded the video I just downloaded from Google Flow. You can see it right here. After uploading that video, I paste my master prompt here. But before clicking Build, click here on Settings. After clicking Settings, they show you the default model. Do not use the default. Click on Model Advanced Settings and then choose this one called Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview. Choose this one because it gives you much better results. After choosing it, then click Build. So Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview starts thinking and doing everything clearly. Some steps are completing one by one. It only takes about 1 or 2 minutes. Right now. Done. When you click here, full screen, you can see Gemini has started generating my website. But you will notice there is some issue. Some images are not showing, and when I scroll up, I can also see that the animated video I created is not appearing in the Hero section. Here's why. Google AI Studio cannot accept a video file uploaded directly from your computer. It needs a URL linked to your video. So let me show you exactly how to fix this. Open your browser, I use Chrome, and search for Cloudinary. After searching, click on Cloudinary Dashboard. If you cannot find it, the link is in my description. After landing on your Cloudinary account, click here on Video. After clicking on Video, click here Upload a Video. Then click Browse and upload your video. You wait just a few seconds, and done. The video is already finished uploading. So now click on your video and click here Copy URL. Then click Copy Original URL with Options. This is the delivery URL of your video. Copy it. After copying, come back to your Google AI Studio chat and paste that URL. After pasting the URL, write this message. Please use this URL as the video in the Hero section and solve every issue of every image that is not showing or any other problem you find. After sending that, done. You can see they already applied it. This is the Hero section. The animated watch is now running as the background. When I click full screen, you can see the watch is animated perfectly in the Hero section of my website. Let me scroll down. You can see everything, but I still see some images that are not showing correctly. So what can I do? Take a screenshot of the exact area where the problem is. Then come back here to the chat, upload that screenshot, and tell the AI what to fix. I wrote this. Solve that issue and use my contact email, this one. After sending that, they start solving the issue. They start checking everything and correcting all the problems on your website. Right now, done. You can see every issue is solved. Let me click here, Dynamic View, to see how the preview looks. You can see everything is now clean and working. Let me click Mobile View. This is the animated watch website called Time Luxury Update. You can see everything looks great on a smartphone. It looks professional. Scroll down. You can see all the sections clearly. Let me also click Tablet View. You can see it looks even better on tablet. The animated video in the background is working perfectly. It looks completely professional. Building a website like this manually would take you a very long time. But with AI, we just did it in minutes. Now we move to the final step, publishing the website so everyone can see it. Come back to your Gemini chat and click here on Code. After clicking Code, click Export. After clicking Export, click Download as zip file. My website is now downloaded as a zip file. Then open your browser and search for Netlify. After searching, click the first link. If this is your first time, click Sign Up. It is not hard. They show you options like login with Google, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. I use Google. After logging in and landing on your Netlify account, click here Project. Then go to your folder, find the zip file you just downloaded, and drag and drop it right here into the deployment area. They start building, deploying, cleaning up, and post-processing, all of it automatically. You can see initializing complete, building complete, deploying complete, cleanup complete, post-processing complete. Everything is done. My website is now live on the internet. Now come back to your project and click Quick Setup. After clicking Quick Setup, they show you Update the project name. You can write any name you want for your website. I wrote Time Luxury Update because this name was still available and not taken. After writing it, click Update Project Name, and then click here to visit your live website. But before I do, let me show you something new inside Netlify. Down here you can see Build with an AI Agent. This is a new feature in Netlify. You can build your AI agent directly here. They have models like OpenAI Codex, Claude Agent, Google Gemini, and many more. You can use it if you want. But right now, let me show you the live website. After clicking here, you can see my live website. Time Luxury Update is now on the internet. Everyone can access it. Everything is clean, clear, and professional. And that is everything for today. If this video helped you, do me one favor. Subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment below telling me what kind of website you are going to build next. I read every single comment, and I will personally reply to you. My name is Fred. I love you all. I will see you in the next one. Let's keep building.